Cap off your valve covers with the hottest design and engine dress-up today, the Slant Edge look. Choose from one of 22 different combinations, including 6 finishes: the iconic Chevy Bowtie, Ford Oval, or MOPAR Omega. Emblem configurations include raised, precision CNC milled, recessed inlaid paint in red or black, and a unique black field finish with raised emblem on chrome, so lustrous it looks wet. Unique brand finishes include the ultra-popular Chevy Orange and Ford Blue respectively, and all come in the signature Black Crinkle finish for the blackout look under your hood. Not only great looking, but functional, allowing the engine to breathe better under high RPM conditions. Get yours now and complete the Slant Edge set you already have with air cleaners and valve covers, or add a small touch of added cool under your hood.